Central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7:19 p.m. We're located along a line extending from Houston to Rockland, moving east at 40. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage. Power lines is possible. Locations infected include Philadelphia, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Salem, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Allentown, Wilbur, and Medford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the low. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately. Structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following. Burlington, Camden, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset, and the following counties.